Hi everyone, my name is Phil Cannato, Implementation Consultant with Prosymmetry. In this video, we'll show you how to assign resources to your project using the Single Project Allocation Grid in Tempus. So for my homepage, I'm going to go into the Project Management tile. Then I'm going to select the project that I want to make my assignment on. From here, we'll go to the Allocations tab, and then we're going to check the project out. So once we've checked out, we're open for business, we can make our assignments. So when I click the type of new resource here, all the available resources are going to pop up. If there's a resource I want to search for specifically, I can start typing, and there's a search capability there right in the dropdown. So here we're just going to enter assignments directly in the grid. This works similar to Excel, where we can copy and paste. We can drag across the various cells. We're going to save and check in. And from here, we've completed the act of making our assignments. One thing I want to point out is we've made these assignments to Amy and Joyce for the project overall. If you are planning and your project is configured accordingly to use tasks, those will appear by selecting the drop-down box and then clicking on the green task option here, and your various tasks will pop up. You can enter assignments to each task, just as we did for the project overall. So we'll go ahead and save and check back in. Some cool features out here in the view is if there's anything in terms of attribution that we want to see, in this case, maybe I want to see my resource department. So anything that's a project attribute, resource attribute, assignment attribute, we can pull those in to be columns in our view here. Also, we have the ability here to switch between various time granularities. Here we're planning in this exercise based on an FTE, but I know many of us plan based on hours. So in that case, we can move to the time tab. We want to see labor costs that's available in cost, or something cool we'll show real quick, the Gantt view. I'm going to check this project back out. Let's say I need to quickly move Joyce's assignment back a month. I'm just going to drag the bar, save and check in, and we've just moved our assignment back. There's options here I want to point out. So ability to configure what type of heat maps appearing, what type of tasks are showing. So if we only want, for example, to see our non-generic tasks, we can configure that here. If we just want to see a specific date range within the project's lifecycle, we can specify that here. To check this back out, we're going to have some additional options appear for us here under the ellipses. So if I want to look at the cross-project allocation for Amy, so a listing of all assignments across all projects, this link will take me directly there. We'll cover resource replace in a different video, but if I want to move assignments from Amy onto other resources, we can access resource replace here, or if we just want to delete her from the project altogether, we can do so here. For additional information, please visit our help center or reach out to your customer success manager. Thank you for watching.